Would you believe it if I told you this was a high protein, sugar-free cheesecake? Well, it is, and I'm going to show you how to make it. You'll start with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1¼ cups of Greek yogurt. I love this Too Good yogurt. It's amazing. 1½ teaspoons of vanilla, 1 cup of powdered sweetener. I used monk fruit, and 2 eggs. Mix it up well and pour it into your springform pan. I baked mine at 350 for roughly 45 minutes, and then I topped mine with some sugar-free cherries. It was just absolute.
Do you know? There is a secret website where you can create your own keto diet plan in just 60 seconds. Comment keto and I will send it to you.